year started, we had 3 meetings till now.
Okay. When
So-
this PTA formed? First question.
When academic year started, that time it was formed.
2011 or 2014, 2016?
No, 15.
15. Okay. It started on
June, July somewhere, 2015. And they told they will form, they will select some people.
How was the selection procedure? I mean, how
They told they will be like lottery system
Cherry
kind of.
picking.
They will pick the parents' name and those will be PTA members. So there are four PTA, 4 people from parents group,
four parents.
4 parents.
Just that's it.
That's it.
For 1,000 representation is 4.
4.
The ratio is not even 0.0001. Okay. No, massive.
And there are 4 from teacher side.
Okay. 4 plus 4. Okay.
And teachers also, they have their kids over here. So such kind of teachers they have selected. I think out of 4, two teachers were there. So which are having, I mean, their kids over here in this school.
Total 6 parents, 2 teachers.
Okay.
No. 4 teachers, 4 parents,
out of them,
8,
two mother
and then other science sir, Sarada ma'am, and other 2-3 people.
Okay. Did they discuss about a fee hike? Because I'm coming
We
into
last-
the front. That is a everyone's interest.
January,
Because I have
January
so many things to
2016.
talk because I don't want to take everything under the sun. Let's take the fee hike.
January 2016, we came to know they are hiking that much fees. Many parents escalated that issue. We came to know, PTA member came to know. We also came to know this is the fee structure is going to be.
But was it
So
discussed
for-
with you? Was it
Yes,
discussed with you
yes.
that this is the proposal?
Starting from
one person at a
Guys, nobody will question. Okay, only one person is there to help us. Yes. Okay, there to help us.
Let him complete first.
from the day of, yeah.
I knew you were talking about parents raised a concern with your group. I never knew you existed. So how would I raise a concern to the
See,
group?
very first time when they formed the PTA, school formed the PTA, they took our email ID and phone number, all PTA member, and they have told us, can we share your email ID and phone number to all the parents of WGS? We said yes. All the PTA member had said yes. And whether school has provided those email and phone
this
number
is the
to
thing.
all the parents or no, that I don't know.
No,
Yeah,
no.
that is what happened. No, you don't have to answer it. That we have to confirm it. Okay, hold on.
But
Yeah,
school
yeah.
has took our phone number and email number to distribute all the parents.
Yes,
they
perfect.
can come us, contact us, and raise their question whenever PTA is happening.
Perfect.
And they told each quarter one PTA will happen. So till now 3 PTA happened, and now this was not planned actually. Monday also they have made it now. This Monday. Because of this protest. Otherwise, final PTA already happened. I think end of March somewhere. All final PTA has
Sir,
happened.
because you were telling that Monday there is a meeting. Can I request?
Yes.
Can all 4 of you boycott that meeting?
Sure, why not?
Are
But
you- no, no, no. Sir, one-
yeah,
one-
reason should be there. The proper justification should be there.
Because that ratio itself is not right.
I disagree.
No, let me
Of boycotting, they should go and say 200 parents are standing outside. Call them.
Correct.
Call them.
That means the definition of boycott is we don't want to represent as a 4 because we have
Go
enough
there and say,
escalations.
call all the
And there are
parents.
people who are
No, let
standing
me.
there.
Okay, we will come to that point. Let me explain what we had discussed with fee hike.
Fee
with
hike,
the school.
yeah.
So very first time in January we came to know this is the fee hike going on. So PTA happened in January. We brought that this is the fee hike. Why? So they have explained that there are 3 or 4 categories in school. So like first to fifth, 6th to 8th or something like that. 9th to 12th. So 9th to 12th they told there is 0% fee hike.
Because they do
Then
not
lower
have
down-
students in that.
whatever is that is what happened. Now second category they told around 8%, 9% they are hiking it. Third category 10.5 some percent, first to fifth. And toddlers they told around 12%, 11 point something percent, close to 12% they are hiking. So they told that is the minimum hike they are doing in the fee structure. We told no, that also why you should do it. It is not, I mean 11% also is a more high. 4 to 5% would be okay, but that also with the would be alright with the parents, but not 11 or 12%. Even 8% also very high, good high. So they gave a lot of justification. They told we have that much thing for this infrastructure. Also they told they are paying some rent. It is not owned by WGS.
What is it?
This property. And they gave a lot of justification for teachers. Also they told many things like teachers are quitting they're resigning, having very difficulty to maintain teachers. They need backup of teachers. That's what they said.
Yeah, I'll tell you one more fact. The parents should not burden the parents. Yeah, I'll tell you one more fact. The reason of the teacher quitting. Why do you ask this question?
That time we told, okay, that is about fee structure. What about transport? They told transport they have not decided yet. They will come to us. Transport division, they did not decide anything on the transport as on January. So they told later on they will come back on the transport fee hike. Almost in March we came to know transport fee hike by 16%. So almost, I mean 14 to 16% it is hike. So we were unhappy with that, and we had a meeting in March and we brought this point. School fee is one thing and transport fee is that much. Why? Diesel price is low, everything is low. What is the additional expenses you are doing with respect to the transport? Why you are hiking that much? And we are not getting our salary hike more than 5-6% in corporate.
0%.
And I also told that last year my salary was around 10 lakh. I was paying around 18% of my salary only in fees. I have 2 kids over here. Next year, now this year I will be paying 22% of my salary. Next year I will end up paying 25% of my salary. What is this? Exactly same thing I fought with Sharada ma'am, everybody, science sir, everybody was there. We had valid, argument with them. Kind of argument we had in last meeting about transport hike. And we told this is not what we are going to accept it. We are not accepting at all this kind of hike. So they started giving some more justification about financial, so many lakhs money is there, this, that. I really didn't understand what they meant it. We told, okay, whatever reason you are giving, you please convey to all the parents of WGS. This is the reason why we are hiking the fee.
Okay.
Now that is the reason we got the document of fee hike. Why they gave a lot of
No, that is not
justification in that.
How many of us got the MOM of these meetings?
One more thing, it is not there in school website also. That MOM is not there in school
The
website.
PFP committee only, not there in the
No, it's
meeting.
there. No, in the school, let me say, in the school website. Some say they have received it.
Yeah. See,
In the school website, they have first PTA
One at a
meeting
time.
mom and second PTA mom. They don't have the third PTA mom. Yesterday I
Ma'am,
actually-
if anybody has received, that is through informal channel, not from
Sir,
school channel.
one at a time. He's giving some.
After first PTA, I used out to school like it is the MOM. They are saying like they send it out to WGS parent. As being a toddler parent, I didn't get it.
No, even I didn't get it.
Wait, so after that I talked to Sharada ma'am. Can you include all toddlers also to that particular?
No, sir, toddlers also part of the parent group. Okay, there is no differentiation.
No, actually school differentiates.
Correct. That will take. That will take. Yeah, that will take last hour.
That is what I have been raising.
able to raise this thing,
Two people cannot fight.
No, about MOM, they thought they will be sending. It has recently
Sir,
happened.
why
around
will
2
they
weeks.
send it? If they send it, it would have happened 2 months back.
No, first to second PTA.
Let me add one major thing. There is an links has been shared in the this WhatsApp that without parents PTA consent, school cannot hike a single paisa. That is a biggest law that is still here.
Is that a law
PTA is
or
not
not?
approved.
There was one statement.